Let's think about home corner play. Sometimes I walk past little home areas and I feel a little bit sad, a bit unadventurous. So why not think about the vessels we give children to play with? So here I have three beautiful goblets. Wow, what can we say about the goblets? Well, this one's smaller, this one's middle sized, and this one's big size. We could relate them to Goldilocks and the Three Bears, and they're having a banquet. Oh my goodness, look at all the luscious language. They're cold to my hand. This is heavier than this one. I wonder why. Is it because of the different materials they're made of? What do you have in your home play? Do you surround children by glorious possibilities to think about science, about math, to think about different kinds of materials that they might have option to talk about or touch or play with? Like these two crystal like glasses. This one is plastic and this one is actually crystal. Oh my goodness, they feel so different to touch. And the conversations I could have about these two glasses alone are phenomenal. And then I have matching beakers. Oh my goodness. But also, I have a much smaller one too. And I've even got two of them made of wood, a cup, a mug, a chalice, a goblet. Oh my goodness, what's in your home corner?